English-Tagalog birthday expressions. Oy, kaarawan mo pala ngayon? Hey, is it your birthday today? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? When is your birthday? Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Happy birthday to you. Pareho pala ang kaarawan natin. We have the same birthday. Maghahanda ka ba sa kaarawan mo? Will you spend on your birthday? Sagot ko na ang handa sa kaarawan mo. I'll treat you on your birthday. Ang sarap naman ng handa mo. The food is great. Lumabas ka at magpakasaya. Go out and have fun. Saan mo idadaos ang iyong kaarawan? Where will you celebrate your birthday? Sana ito ang pinakamagandang araw mo. I wish this is the best day for you. Hangad ko ang kaligayahan mo ngayong araw. I wish you happiness today. Sayo ang araw na to, magpakasaya ka. Today is yours, enjoy. Masaya ako para sayo. I'm happy for you. Ayos lang naman gumastos, kaarawan mo naman. It's alright to spend, besides it's your birthday. Salamat sa pagimbita sa akin. Thank you for inviting me. Nasurprise ako, salamat talaga. I was surprised, thank you so much. Salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta. Thanks everyone for coming here. Inimbitahan mo ba silang dumalo sa kaarawan mo? Did you invite them to attend on your birthday? Nandito na sila. Tara, kain na tayo. They're already here. Come on, let's eat.